Hi everybody, I'm Amy with Weird Crafts, and today we're going to talk about a brand new product called felt cookies. The whole idea behind the concept is you're going to be using cookie cutters made in the USA, and when you needle felt into these cookie cutters, you're going to get the shape that the cookie cutter is. That's what keeps you drawing or coloring within the line, so to speak. We have the individual packaged fiber that corresponds with the leaf, the labels on the leaf, and we have foam. We also have, this is what you're going to put your cookie cutter on. We have your felting needles in here with a handy dandy needle holder, and the needle felting identification, or the needle identification on the front of the tube. Here's all your fiber that corresponds with each leaf. You have your instructions with a code that if you take a picture of it with your phone, will link you to the video that will show you how to use our brand new cookie cutter program for needle felting. Thank you.